Hi everyone! We've learned a lot about YouTube so far. Uploading and editing videos is a breeze. Today I'm going to cover using annotation and cards. These are powerful tools for video editing. Let's take a look. We'll start in the Video Manager and find the video we want, then choose Annotations from the drop-down menu. Slide the time counter to where you want to insert your annotation and then choose from these 5 options. Speech Bubble adds a pop-up speech bubble to your video. You can move the tail, resize the text box, and format the content. You can adjust the duration of any annotation here or here. Note creates a semi-opaque pop-up text box. Title adds a title overlay you can resize and reposition. Spotlight highlights an area so when the user moves a mouse over it, your text will appear below the area. Label also frames an area, so hovering a cursor will display your text in the box. All annotations except title allow you to add a link. The link can direct your viewers to a number of types of web pages. This is a good option for driving potential customers. Don't forget to check the Open Link in New Window box. You can edit your annotations at any time. I'm going to overlap mine and we can watch the result. Cards are links you can add to your videos. You reach them the same way as annotations, through your Video Manager. Choose Cards from the drop-down menu. Slide the timeline counter to where you want to insert your card and click Add Card. Video or playlist cards link to other YouTube videos or playlists. You can choose one of your own or enter a URL. Channel cards link to a channel. You can add a custom message or teaser text. Fan funding cards allow your viewers to make donations. You must have a Google Payments merchant account linked to your YouTube account. Donation cards are available to U.S. nonprofit organizations for fundraising purposes. Poll cards allow you to add a poll to your video. Link cards link directly to merchandise and crowdfunding sites. There are many approved sites. As you can see, annotations and cards can be robust tools for driving traffic and monetizing your YouTube channel. I'll look into other ways to monetize your channel in a future video. Thanks for watching.